Hi, I'm Enchanting Nubianette. Welcome back. And if you're viewing my channel for the first time, welcome. This is another hair-raising, stunning news story. It's an incident that no one should ever experience, especially while under medical care. A 40-year-old Michigan physician, Dr. Umar Ajaz, has been arrested due to a shocking discovery that he allegedly placed hidden cameras in various locations. These places are including changing rooms, bathrooms, closets, and even hospital rooms, even in his own home. The physician is accused of filming hundreds of patients, including women and children as young as 2 years old, many who were unconscious and under sedation during medical procedures. Ugh. Dr. Ajaz, who has been practicing medicine in the state for several years, now faces a slew of charges, including child abusive activity, capturing and recording images of children while nude, and using a computer to record these heinous acts. The investigation revealed that he recorded his patients during intimate moments, such as while they were changing, using the restroom, or lying unconscious on the operating table. Now, how on earth did this doctor get away with his crimes for so long? It's baffling that no one else was inside or nearby the operating room or the patient's room when this doctor was in rare form. Now, the case came to light when Dr. Ajiz's wife discovered incriminating data on his computer 2 weeks ago, August 7th. His devastating wife, alarmed by the content she found immediately, reported it to the authorities. According to law enforcement officials, the data included footage of hundreds of patients, leading to the doctor's swift arrest. A spokesperson from the Michigan State Police stated in quotes, "We are horrified by the nature of these allegations. The fact that someone in a position of trust could commit such acts is deeply disturbing. Yes, it is. Our priority is to ensure that justice is served for all of the victims involved." End of quotes. Dr. Ajaz is currently being held without bond as the investigation continues. Authorities are working to identify all of the victims. Many of them are unlikely. They don't even know that they were filmed. They're unaware. So the authorities are reaching out to them. Now, the charges against him carry severe penalties, and if convicted, he could face decades in prison. Rightfully so. This man caused so many people to doubt the credibility of medical professionals. Who can we trust? If we're unable to be vulnerable with our physicians and healthcare staff. Dr. Ajaz has obtained a visa since 2011. It's horrible to know a so-called professional is capable of doing these lewd acts for so many years. The medical community and the public have reacted with shock and outrage to the news. The hospital where Dr. Ajaz was employed has released a statement expressing their cooperation with the ongoing investigation, and they're offering support to the affected patients. This case has sent shockwaves through the local community and beyond, all over the country. It raises serious concerns about privacy and safety in medical settings. So, since the investigation is ongoing and the authorities, they are urging anyone who may have had contact with Dr. Ajaz to come forward with any information that could assist in the case. And I truly hope that his patients will get counseling and any psychological assistance due to the trauma and pain. What are your thoughts, everyone? Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a million and stay safe wherever you are.
Jaws, a doctor from India here in the U.S. on a work visa.
He has worked at Ascension Genesis Hospital in Grand Blanc and Henry Ford Macomb Hospital in Clinton Township, but we're still trying to determine where else he may have worked.
The crimes he's charged with allegedly occurred at the Goldfish Swim School in Rochester in August of 2023.
This particularly hit home to me as just being a mom. These allegations stemmed from a mom bringing her young children to a swim school and taking them into a changing room and getting them changed.
Authorities say over the past 6 years, Jaws recorded at least 13,000 videos. All of this coming to light earlier this month.
Disturbing on so many levels that it's hard to look at the videos of that activity where a woman is basically unconscious in a hospital bed and he's violating her. To a 2-year-old thinking they're out for a great swim day and they're being captured naked.
The hidden cameras investigators confiscated.
They were used in changing rooms, bathrooms, hospital rooms, as well as inside closets, bathrooms, and bedrooms of residents that he had access to.
And law enforcement says this is just the tip of the iceberg in this case.
There are thousands and thousands of images and videos that we will have to work law enforcement in partnership with others to identify who those victims are